Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. I want to show you guys here a small, simple trauma kit. And I stumbled across these years ago, and these guys here throughout the years have become sort of the base that I have used for other trauma kits that I put together for on chest rigs, in vehicles, in my wife's vehicle, and just different kits that I got around here. And what these guys are is these are called an IPOC. And you can't see it too good right there, but I'm going to tear this guy open and show you guys what's in it here in a minute too. But an IPOC stands for an individual patrol officer kit. And it is just really basic. It has a Gen 7 cat tourniquet in it. These guys are actually made by North American Rescue. I don't know if you can see the G7 on there, but this is a Gen 7 cat tourniquet. And then it has a trauma dressing in here. It's got some another gauze dressing, and then it has some gloves in here. And this guy, from my own research over the years, is basically designed to fit into an officer's BDU or pant leg pocket like this right here. And I'm going to show you that here in just a second. But I have taken these kits apart over the years, and I have included more things into this, and I basically built these kits out. But, it doesn't have anything so fancy in it that an average person can't use it. It doesn't have, chest decompression needles, and it doesn't have chest seals, and it doesn't have that more advanced, nose hoses, nasal pharyngeal airways. It has basically tourniquets and stuff to apply pressure on a wound. So it is as simple a trauma kit as you're going to get. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys here how this guy fits in the pant legs of BDU trousers or pants, and I'm going to open this guy and show you what's in here. All right, guys, this is a pair of BDU pants, and BDU pants are very popular for uniforms. They're popular for hunting, hiking, all kinds of outdoor activities. And the BDU pocket on the side of the legs is what this is right here. And this square pocket that actually expands out a little bit is what this IPOC, from what I have read, is designed to fit in. And I've got this opened up right here, and let's see if I can show you this here with one hand. But this sealed IPOC kit fits in just like so, and then you would button that, and then you would have that IPOC trauma kit in the side of your pants. And then, of course, if anybody, in your hiking party or hunting party or whatever, knows that first aid kit is in, let's say, the left leg or whatever, and then if something would happen, that's where they would go right away. All right, guys, that is how these guys fit in to a BDU pocket. And another thing, too, when you get these guys, you want to make sure they're sealed like this, because when they're sealed like this, they're good for a really long time. And you can see there the expiration date. This says 2033 on it. So this is got a really long expiration date on it, but because they're in this good packaging, even if you get wet or whatever, the stuff inside here is going to be protected, and that's kind of what you want. But anyway, I'm going to tear this guy open here and take one for the team and show you guys what's in this. And the first thing here is your cat tourniquet, and you notice the cat tourniquet isn't in another package. So as soon as you open that, you can go ahead and you can access this, and you can actually use this. It's already staged for you inside that package, which is awesome, actually. And then, of course, we have wound packing gauze. This is in a vacuum sealed thing here too, so to keep it not only sterile, but also as compact as possible. And then it's got, your emergency trauma dressing, again, vacuum sealed. And it even shows you how to use it here on the back. And then it's got some nitrile gloves in there as well. And that's basically what is in this guy right here. You can see it a little bit better now, IPOC. But, it's not anything fancy. It's not anything that I don't think the absolute simple, it's just the simplest trauma kit that you can possibly get. Again, show you here kind of what's in that. And that way, you know, you're not confusing people with a lot of more technical stuff, you know. Bleeding, you know, one of the first things they teach you in first aid, you know, is, you know, you want to apply pressure, and that's basically what this kit is designed for. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys one of these because, like I said, I've used so many of these IPOC kit over the years. I've taken the stuff out of these kits. I've included these kits in other kits, and I've just had a lot of good luck with them. And I will put a link in the description to get these guys off of my Amazon store should you be interested in one of these. And typically the price of these goes anywhere between about $45 and $55 depending on you know, if they're running sales or anything like that. But anyway, the link will be in the description for that. You know, these guys fit in BDU pants, which a lot of people wear, myself included, for outdoor activity. But just wanted to show this to you guys. If you guys have never seen one of these before, now you have, and now you know what's inside them and sort of how I use them. But anyway, this Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys always get some information, some entertainment out of my videos, and you guys have a good one.